Hey guys, welcome back to Car's Kitchen, and today we are going to be making Oreo cheesecake. As we all know, Thanksgiving is rapidly approaching, so if you need ideas, here you go. And keep in mind, all of the ingredients and the details will be in the description box below. As you can see, I am crushing up about 20 to 25 Oreos with a half a stick of melted butter. If you have a food processor, this will be the perfect time to use it, but since I didn't have one, I did it by hand. And if you don't have a food processor, try your best to get everything broken down and incorporated as much as you can. So after you get all your Oreos crushed, you want to lay them out in your spring form pan, and I think the spring form pan I have is a 9-inch pan. Or you can skip this step altogether and buy the Oreo crust from your local grocery store. But I highly recommend making your crust from home. And as you can see, I am just spreading that out at the bottom of my spring foam pan and making sure I flatten it out. Now, you can use your hands to do this to press it down, or you can use the bottom of your glass and press it down. Whatever works for you, just make sure it's nice and flat, just like that. Okay, so now that we got our crust out the way, we're gonna take 2 cups of heavy whipping cream and we're gonna beat that until it becomes a peak. And don't be alarmed, this may take a while, so don't rush the process. And this is what it should look like. It should look something like this. It's going to be on the thick side. So after that, we're just going to set that to the side for a moment, and we're going to start on our cream cheese mixture. You're going to take 1 package of that Philadelphia cream cheese, a few teaspoons of powdered sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla, and we're going to beat that until it's nice and smooth. Also, you guys, make sure your cream cheese is at room temp before you start, because it is not going to mix well and it won't have that smooth consistency. So after your cream cheese mixture is all nice and smooth, you're going to add it to your whipping cream mixture. And we are going to blend that together. So this part is the fun part, in my opinion. You're just gonna take some extra Oreos and we're gonna crush those into our mixture, and you can use as many or as little as you would like. Once you've added your desired Oreos, you just fold them into the mix. I also want you guys to keep this in mind that you don't have to use the double stuffed Oreos like I did. You can mix it up with the different flavors Oreo have, and you can use maybe the mint chocolate or whatever you want to use. You can make your own rules and be creative. Now you can place that mix on top of the crust we just made and make sure it's all well evenly distributed across the crust. And this is a no bake recipe, so all you have to do is leave it in the refrigerator overnight, or you can put it in the freezer for a few hours and then you're ready to serve. And this is how it came out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.